Time for 10 tables you need to see on the virtual pin. Let's go! Welcome back to the channel. It's awesome that you're tuning in. So in this series of videos I wanted to introduce more virtual pinball to here to the channel. So I was decided to make this 10 top titles that you really need to see for a virtual pin. Doesn't even matter what kind of virtual pin you're building, buying, whatsoever. Basically they are all the same if it comes to the gameplay. But I just wanted to show you one of the highlights, the tables I really enjoy daily on my virtual pinball. So if you like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell, become one of the Wicked family, because I have a lot of these kind of videos coming up. And let's go and let's talk about virtual pinball. Creatures from the Black Lagoon, Bali, 1992. So the original cabinet is already pretty old, but I think it's one of my favorite. I played this game as a child so much, but what I also really like about it is not only this thing is running on VPX10 and looks amazing, it's the music, it's everything that goes on with this pinball machine. Alright, so let's do a little bit of a gameplay and I'll show you what I mean. Alright, let's go, people! Okay. Inevitable! That one was inevitable, people! Ball number 2. Oh man, the dirty ball comeback! Oh! I have 20 balls, but I will not improve my gameplay. Man, a really fun game to play. Love the soundtracks. Okay, let's go. Another row. There's the ball coming back. Pinball machine Hook by Data East from 1992. This thing is running on a VPX10 and it looks amazing with the combination of this 4K monitor, as you can see over here. The experience of this table is very positive and I really love this. And I would say what I really like about it is the gameplay and the music. So let's start the gameplay and I will show you what I mean. Love this soundtrack. The Evil Madness from Williams 1997, also a very old table, or the original table. Running on VPX10, this table is pretty damn awesome. Looking at it, it's just basically thinking yourself you're playing on a real pinball table. Nevertheless, I'm going to show you, it's a really fun game to play. I'm going to dash into the castle and we're going to defeat our enemy. Right, so we are going to take a close look at the Metal Slug 2009 Virtual Pinball table. I'm a big Neo Geo and Metal Slug fan, so I was very excited to see this Virtual Pinball. I think this is what Virtual Pinball is all about. Not only we're having original tables, we're having custom tables. And that makes it, in my opinion, extra cool. So let's play some Metal Slug. Alright people, Metal Slug time! I love this pinball machine.
Mission 1. Okay. 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 Mission complete.
So for the next table, we're having one of my favorites, Street Fighter 2. It's officially from Gottlieb in 1993. That was the original pinball cabinet. I had the original version and I played it so much. I'm a big Street Fighter fan and this table is running on VPX10. In other words, this thing runs on 4K, looks amazing. And I'm guessing the reason why they called it the newer version, not the original, because they did, let's say, quite some different revisions of this Virtual Pinball table. But nevertheless, it looks amazing. We're going to play some Street Fighter 2. I love the soundtracks of the game that are all included in this. And we're going to fight some characters. Use the flipper!
Early. Use the flipper. Use the bracelet target.
Select your victory award.
Cartwright! Oh yeah!
Select.
Multi-ball! So the next table is Super Mario Bros. From Gottlieb and from 1992. So there's also a revision of an old classic pinball table, and this thing looks amazing on VPX10. It looks so nice on 4K. I was almost thinking this is the real deal. It's a very fun game. It has all the elements of our old Mario Bros. Game with all the sound effects and of course including the music. Nevertheless, this thing is also a very fun game to play. So let's start and let's have some fun.
It's me, Wicked Mario! Let's go!
Ain't that lots of secret stuff on this game?
Oh, you'll see, come to Wicked Mario! One a million! It's me, 1 million Mario Cherry West!
Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Data East 1999, that was the original cabinet released. In general, I'm a big Turtles fan. I grew up with the Turtles and I think this pinball machine is a very nice product from back in 1991. Nevertheless, it's a really cool pinball machine running on VPX10. So, let's play some Turtles. .007 Goldeneye from 1996, released by Sega with the original table. This thing is running on VPN 9, so it will not have, let's say, the super crisp clear image like the previous videos. But nevertheless, it's still looking great, and I must say Goldeneye has a special place in my heart if it comes to James Bond, the movies and including the N64 games. So this is going to be pretty damn awesome. Memory lane, we're going to play some Goldeneye.
Vodka martini.
You have a light up that shield not to break the track load. Shake, master. I admire your luck.
The Addams Family from Bali in 1992, one of my favorite tables when I grew up as a child. I played this original table so many times I cannot even count it anymore. This game is so much fun. I really love the theme, the music and the gameplay behind it. And that is one of my favorite tables I love to play on the VPX10. It looks amazing and it looks almost authentic. I think they did an amazing job with this. Nevertheless, let's play some games and I'll show you how cool this Addams Family VPX10 is.
Go, man. Go, man.
Alright, so this concludes the 10 virtual pinball tables that will blow your mind. This is video number 1, and if you really enjoyed this video, I would say consider subscribing, give this video a thumb up, and let me know in the comments what is your favorite table, and if you want to see more, because I can make a full series of this, because a lot of stuff I didn't show you that is pretty damn awesome. But this was just a quick grab out of the many tables out there. I really love virtual pinball for what it is. And if you want to see more of the full table review, I will leave a link in the description, and of course you can find it in the end thumbnail. If you want to see full gameplay, I'm playing some games on my gaming channel, the Wicked Gaming channel, and you can find some more information over there. I want to thank you for watching. Again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell, become one of the Wicked family, and I will see you in the next one.